Dollars, that's how much Americans collectively owe when it comes to student loans. That number has actually decreased just a little bit since earlier this year, but we're soon to reach a bit of an inflection point. It's tens of millions of Americans will have to start making regular payments again with the federal government's pandemic era pause coming to an end on October 1st. Lauren?
Yes, we want to dig into the numbers just a little bit more for you. Across the country, the U.S. Department of Education says there are nearly 46 million people with federal student loans, and these numbers are as of 3 months ago. So we do want to take a closer look really at the state of Florida. We have the third highest amount of money owed towards student loans at just over $105 billion. The average amount owed per person with a loan is nearly $39,000.
Regardless of how much is owed, it's still a burden on folks, especially as we all navigate through these uncertain times. So tonight we wanted to take this story beyond the headlines, sending ABC Action News reporter Mary O'Connell out to speak with people faced with these loans and the experts on what you can do to at least soften the blow when repayments begin.
The payment pause on student loans is coming to an end. It's something many people, including Max Fusco, were able to take advantage of.
So I graduated in 22, and I just haven't made a single payment since then because I figured if I don't have to, I don't want to.
But October 2023, when first payments are due, is around the corner. Fusco made his payment a little early.
I had the money, so I was like, I'll just pay it right now and then do the next payment after that.
The Department of Education is pointing people to the SAVE plan, which it says provides the lowest monthly payments of any income-driven repayment plan available to almost all student borrowers. Earlier this month, the Department of Education said that more than 4 million student loan borrowers are enrolled in SAVE.
The good news is, in many ways, most Americans, whether they have student loans or not, did a really good job at the beginning of the pandemic of being thrifty in ways that they never had before.
I sat down with Victor Clark, an associate professor of economics at Florida Gulf Coast University. Clark explained if you look at the segment of the population that has the fastest growing credit card debt, it's the youngest Americans, saying it's troubling that the people who are the most likely to be facing new student loan payments have been running up credit card bills over the last year or so. When it comes to how long it could take to see any potential impacts to the overall economy after payments restart, Clark thinks we probably won't see a significant change.
Again, people still need to buy groceries, they need to buy gas, they need to get to work, they still have jobs, and they'll still spend a lot of money on the things that they were already spending money on. They'll just have to be a little tighter in terms of little treats and luxury goods.
Some advice? Clark said loan consolidation may not save you a lot of money, but it can make paying your loans more convenient. And then there's refinancing.
Whether it's your mortgage or your student loans may not make financial sense for you because it may be really difficult to find an interest rate that's better than the one you have on your existing outstanding loans.
All factors to keep in mind as the clock ticks down to the repayment restart. In Tampa, Mary O'Connell, ABC Action News.